Planks are a great core and abdominal muscle strengthening exercise. These exercises will strengthen your hips, lower back, and belly while improving your overall body balance. Yoga, boxing, and sports such as hockey, cricket, and football all make use of it. Planking is a time-saving and efficient workout. It's possible to do it almost anywhere and at any time in your living room while watching your favorite reality show. Whether you're an expert or a beginner, there are various variations of the plank to help you build a strong core. We have the classic high plank, which works every muscle in your body, from your glutes to your core to your arms and shoulders. Forearm plank. If a high plank is too difficult for you, try a forearm plank. We also have the knee plank. The knee plank is a variation on the high plank that beginners may find useful. And then the side plank. Once you're familiar with traditional planks, try a side plank, which works the sides of your core. This unilateral plank is excellent for the low back and the whole back. So, what will happen if you do a 5 minutes plank for 2 months in a row? Keep watching till the end to find out, because in this video we have all the answers that you need to know before you start your plank exercise. Let's go! Strengthens your core. The spine, shoulder bones, pelvis, and joints make up the core of your body. If you have a strong core, some workouts will be simpler to do. The plank exercise improves your core's 4 most important muscular groups: transversus abdominis, rectus abdominis, oblique muscles, and glutes. Improves balance. If you do a plank for 5 minutes every day for a few months, you will notice a significant improvement in your balance. Excellent balance is essential in everyday life since it helps you perform a variety of physical duties effectively. Furthermore, good balance reduces your chances of falling and harming yourself. It eliminates back pain. In terms of back pain, did you know that planking every day is quite beneficial to your spine? Planks help to strengthen the muscles in your back that support your spine. Furthermore, unlike other stomach workouts, planking keeps your spine in a neutral position, making it secure. Reduces belly fat. The plank stance is an effective workout for losing stubborn belly fat since it primarily targets your core abdominal muscles. Holding a plank position for a few minutes each day will help you shed tummy fat and shape your physique. If crunches and sit-ups make you dizzy and damage your back, try planks to flatten your stomach instead. How to do the regular plank exercise. A plank exercise can be done in a variety of ways, one of which is the high plank or front plank. The only difference between this and push-ups is that you should rest your complete weight on your elbows rather than your palms. Lie down on the ground. Maintain a flat stance by keeping your elbows and knees together, like push-ups. Keep a firm grasp on your chin and push your torso upward. Maintain your position for 10 seconds. Before pausing, lower your body 3 times. Note, make sure your back is completely straight when executing this exercise. A plank workout may be modified by adding a leg rise and an arm lift. If you are a beginner, the front plank workout is recommended and will assist you. Tips for doing the plank exercise. If you can't hold a high plank on your hands, adapt the workout by coming to your forearms. The closer your feet are together, the greater the challenge on a plank. Avoid pressing your buttocks into the air. This is not downward facing dog, or lowering your hips below your shoulders. You want to be as flat as a table or board. So what are the pros and cons of planking? Planks, like any other workout, have pros and cons. Let's have a look at some of them. For the pros, just as we mentioned above, plank exercises help to strengthen your spine and shoulders, burn fat, and avoid backaches. It is a basic workout that will help you keep active and enhance your body balance and flexibility. Now, what are the cons of planking? It may appear simple at first glance, yet looks may be deceiving. The plank is one of the most difficult workouts. You may also wonder if the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Let's find out. A plank that is not done correctly might cause major harm to your body. It can cause severe pain, dislocation, and long-term internal damage. If you don't use the proper technique, you can put too much pressure on your spinal discs, lower back, and shoulder joints. Another downside is that excessive plank holding might raise blood pressure, which is why it is advisable to practice many sets with a 1 or 2 minute rest, without exhausting yourself completely. Precautions. Planks should not be done in the following circumstances. If you've had a shoulder injury, if you get shoulder pain as a result of the activities, if you are expecting a child, do not hold your breath when exercising. Note, if you encounter any of the above-mentioned pains while executing this workout, consult a doctor. In conclusion, you could be tempted to plank out every day with so many benefits to rip from it. Is it, however, advisable? This workout is generally safe to do daily. To accomplish this, your form must be flawless. Rest and recovery are essential for maximum performance, therefore taking a day or two off is not only appropriate but also recommended. When you engage in repeated exercise without adequate rest, you risk causing muscle and joint injury. Furthermore, you do not give your muscles enough time to heal and get stronger. It's better to be cautious than sorry, so avoid the planks on alternate days. How often do you plank, or have you tried planking for 5 minutes every day for a month? Share your experience with us in the comments section below. If you like this video, remember to press the like button, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Stay healthy and beautiful.